Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy D Street 1498, and I just bought a bike.
Don't forget about your girl Penguin.
Oh yeah, check out her channel. Link in the description. Yeah. Link in the description below. This is a Yamaha TTRL 2003. It's a 125, one with the big tires. I was thinking about financing one from the dealership, but I didn't want to add any more to my credit right now because I'm gonna get ready to graduate school and start paying off these loans and gonna be trying to get a house and all that stuff. So, but I got this bike for $1,300 from a guy off of Facebook Marketplace, and I had to buy it. He said his son pretty much be riding it like every day, but he looking for something a little bit. And why you breaking up the ice right now, babe? No, we're gonna get it when we come back.
Oh.
Unless you're gonna load the bike up in your SUV and take it to the U-Haul place.
Leave me alone.
But yeah, we renting out a U-Haul pickup truck so we can take the bike down to the park and ride it at the park for a little bit. Not a dirt bike track, but it's like a regular park with grass and shit. But yeah, he said the only thing wrong with it is he said the carburetor might need changing, but he gave me a carburetor and he said the back tire is being worn down because his son rides it a lot. But that's it. Got some precious cargo on the back, man. My first time doing some shit like this.
Don't jump the curb, babe.
I ain't gonna jump the curb. I'm a professional.
You said that last time.
Well, last time I was in a 20-inch U-Haul.
Still, you said that last time.
But yeah, we're about to hit the park. Try to learn how to ride a dirt bike for the first time. I can't believe I rented a whole U-Haul to do this. But when you've been waiting since 5 years old to get a dirt bike, you probably feel the same way. Alright guys, we out here at the park. And I'm probably gonna ride it out here on this little open field. Got me a big little area to practice, so we're gonna make it work. What? Anybody being mean to you. Man, I hope we can get this bike off without fucking some shit up seriously. I'm just nervous as hell. Usually when I do stuff that I've never done before, there's always a chance somebody gonna come say something. And I'd rather get started and have like 2 minutes than sit here and be struggling and don't have any to, have fun. Alright, don't move me too fast.
I'm not, babe. That bike heavy.
Come on back. Ooh, we gonna catch hell getting it off. Getting it back on. Come back down. You're like you ain't wanna grab.
What are we gonna grab it for?
I needed help, shit. somebody left 2 jewels out here, babe. You want a jewel?
Like, babe, I need the jewels, babe. look like so much fun.
Oh, it's lit. I'm riding it like a champ though, but it's my first time riding a dirt bike. Very first time. First try. Oh man. Let's go.